Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today we got my man LLooke in the building. Now it's been a long time since we had LLooke in the building, and he's back with a bad creation. Now this watch face should still be free in the Gear Manager store. I have been running behind. He dropped this off to me on the 9th, so hopefully it's free through the weekend. Hit me in the comment section down below, let me know so I can let the world know. Alright, with that being said, let's kick off this review. Alright you all, let's get started with this review. Now the name of the watch face is called LLooke 17 Blue. It's a very nice looking casual dressed down digital watch face that's geared for fitness. Now in the AOD mode you are going to get the same look, the same layout of information. It's going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, but you will be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Now when the watch face is on, this is where LLooke lit it up at. I like the layout of the information. I like the fact that everything is very legible and it gives you exactly what you're looking for out of a watch face. Now up at the top, you are going to get the day of the week, you're going to get your date, you're going to get your month as well. Now the days of the week, I like the way that it's laid out going across. It's going to be highlighted to let you know exactly what day of the week it is as well. You're going to get your nice legible digital time, your battery percentage is at the right of that. You come down, you're going to get your step info, which is important to most people. You're going to get miles walked around right up under that, and floors climbed. Here you're going to get your heart rate information, and you're also going to get information on your zone so far as where you are with your heart rate. Now down at the bottom you will get LLooke's logo, and you're going to also be able to get some shortcuts. You're going to get your weather, you're going to be able to make a phone call. If you need to go into your music, you can go into your music on your run. You're going to have everything that you need in one watch face. This is truly a definite download. It does get my stamp of approval, and the watch face is interactive, right? So if I double tap on the 6, I can change the look of the index, which I thought was super awesome, right? And also if I double tap right here on my steps, I can change it. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing here on the battery. Check this out. So you got some customization going on here that you could do with this watch face that I thought was very, very nice coming from LLooke. He gets down. He does his thing. Now also what you could do, now he has a couple of languages that you can tap into as well and change them to a few different ones. I like this. Again, I thought LLooke did a great job on this watch face, but at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, and if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead. It's okay. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Have a great weekend.